Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on an awe-inspiring journey to explore some of the most monumental engineering feats on the planet, mega projects that redefine the boundaries of human innovation and ambition. From colossal bridges to cutting-edge urban developments, we are about to witness the construction marvels that are shaping our world. Let's dive into the world of the biggest mega projects. Our first stop takes us to China, where we find the iconic Great Wall, a testament to ancient engineering that stretches over 13,000 miles. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Historical significance. Built over centuries to protect against invasions, the Great Wall showcases the ingenuity of the Chinese civilization, using walls, watchtowers, and natural barriers. 2. Ongoing preservation. Today, the Great Wall is both a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of China's rich history. Ongoing efforts are focused on preserving and restoring this monumental structure. Our next destination is the world's largest hydropower project, the Three Gorges Dam, situated on the Yangtze River in China. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Engineering marvel. The dam, completed in 2006, is 2.3 miles long and generates an immense amount of clean energy while also serving flood control and navigation purposes. 2. Environmental impact. The project has faced criticism for its environmental effects, including the displacement of communities and the impact on aquatic ecosystems. Now, let's journey into the cosmos with the International Space Station, ISS, a collaborative mega project involving space agencies from around the world. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Space Oasis. The ISS serves as a space laboratory, where astronauts conduct experiments in biology, physics, and astronomy while orbiting Earth. 2. International cooperation. The ISS stands as a symbol of global collaboration, with crew members from multiple nations living and working together in space. Moving to Central America, we find the Panama Canal expansion, a colossal engineering achievement that modernized this vital waterway. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Doubling capacity. Completed in 2016, the expansion doubled the canal's capacity, allowing larger ships, known as New Panamax, to navigate the route. 2. Global trade impact. The expanded canal has reshaped global trade routes, impacting ports, logistics, and economies around the world. Our next stop is the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on Earth, situated in the heart of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Architectural marvel. Standing at a staggering 2,717 feet, the Burj Khalifa is a triumph of modern engineering and architecture, boasting numerous world records. 2. Vertical city. The tower houses residences, offices, restaurants, and observation decks, redefining urban living in the 21st century. Venturing deep underground, we arrive at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, home to the Large Hadron Collider, LHC. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Particle physics quest. The LHC is the world's most powerful particle accelerator, allowing scientists to explore fundamental questions about the universe's origins. 2. Higgs boson discovery. In 2012, the LHC played a pivotal role in the discovery of the Higgs boson, a particle that helps explain mass in the universe. Our journey now takes us beneath the bustling streets of London, where we find the Crossrail project, one of Europe's most ambitious urban transport undertakings. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Transforming London. The Crossrail project is creating a new, high-capacity railway line, connecting key areas of London and relieving congestion on the city's existing transport network. 2. Innovation and challenges. The project combines cutting-edge engineering with the preservation of historic sites, making it a testament to the city's rich heritage and future growth. Returning to waterways, we explore the Suez Canal expansion, a significant upgrade of one of the world's most vital maritime routes. There are some highlighted significant points discussed down below as 1. Expanding capacity. Completed in 2015, the expansion allows for the simultaneous passage of larger vessels, reducing waiting times and boosting global trade efficiency. 2. Geopolitical significance. The Suez Canal expansion has geopolitical implications, influencing global trade routes and economic interests. In Japan, we encounter the Shinkansen, or bullet train, network, a pioneer in high-speed rail travel. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Speed and efficiency. The Shinkansen network, launched in 1964, offers passengers a safe, reliable, and high-speed mode of transportation that's become a symbol of Japanese innovation. 2. Technological advancements. Over the years, the network has seen technological advancements, including the introduction of maglev, magnetic levitation, trains, promising even higher speeds. Our final destination is Cadarache, France, where the ITER project is underway, aiming to harness the power of nuclear fusion. There are some highlighted significant points that are further discussed as 1. Unlimited clean energy. It represents humanity's quest for a nearly limitless and sustainable energy source through nuclear fusion, mimicking the sun's energy production. 2. Global collaboration. The project involves 35 nations, symbolizing the potential for international cooperation in addressing energy and environmental challenges. And there you have it, an exhilarating world tour of the biggest mega projects that are shaping our planet. From the ancient Great Wall of China to the cutting-edge ITER fusion reactor, these monumental endeavors remind us of the boundless potential of human innovation and collaboration. If you found this exploration of mega projects as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow enthusiasts of engineering marvels. Stay tuned for more captivating stories and deep dives into the remarkable right here on our channel. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of our world.